A man's beard not only represents maturity but also enhances his appearance and masculinity. However, cultivating a healthy and well-groomed beard requires special attention and proper nutrition. Throughout history, the beard has been used for protection and intimidation and has been a symbol of power and social status. Even today, the beard remains an icon of masculinity and fashion. However, genetics can make it difficult for some men to achieve beard growth. Thankfully, there are certain foods that can help promote beard growth. In this video, you'll learn the best nutrition tips to achieve that lush beard you're looking for. So pay attention and learn everything you need to know about beard care. Foods that can provide most, if not all, of the essential nutrients needed for desired beard growth include cinnamon. Cinnamon is one hell of an awesome factor. Packed with antifungal, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, the standard darucini, as it's far referred to as locally, is one of these condiments you want to be taking in greater of. So what cinnamon does is it will increase the body's warmness quotient, which in flip will increase stream of oxygen-wealthy blood to the hair roots, stimulating growth and preserving the beard thick and nicely nourished. It is best taken with honey and hot water, first in the morning, on an empty stomach. Pumpkin seeds. Experts accept as true with that eating pumpkin seeds can assist attain a fuller and denser beard. It is loaded with minerals like zinc, which promotes the wholesome boom of facial hair. One can eat pumpkin seeds with the aid of using first drying them up, after which both such as them in dishes or munching them as a snack. Spinach. Spinach carries giant quantities of vitamins inclusive of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, beta-carotene and folic acid. Having those many vitamins, spinach is thought to be powerful in stimulating beard increase because it enables deliver oxygen to the hair follicles. Tuna fish. If you're a non-vegetarian, tuna is a fish that is certainly considered one among nature's maximum plentiful supply of omega-3 fatty acid, a component that the body cannot produce, and desires for all its crucial functions. Omega-3 is responsible for the brightness of the pores and skin and hair. The ingestion of a very good amount of this will help stimulate the manufacture of the last hair follicles. Best fed on sparkling in curries or salads, cooked, tinned tuna, in olive oil. Eggs. Eggs are an outstanding supply of both protein and different crucial micronutrients which might be essential for facial hair growth. In addition, eggs also are a wealthy supply of biotin. That's a nutrition this is essential for healthful hair. Due to the fact eggs are excessive in saturated and monounsaturated fats, however low in polyunsaturated fats. They provide a truthful fatty acid ratio. This is expedient to the manufacturing of testosterone and DHT. Sweet potatoes. An incredible supply of starch and protein, sweet potatoes are an underappreciated tuber. A whole lot more healthy opportunity to fried potatoes. Sweet potatoes include insane quantities of beta-carotene, which the frame converts into vitamin A, and it affects, pretty directly, the manufacturing of recent hair follicles and roots. Best consumed, roasted and with the skin. Orange juice. Orange juice is a wealthy supply of vitamin C, an effective antioxidant which can stimulate the synthesis of collagen and assist opposite the consequences of unfastened radicals that would motive harm for your pores and skin and facial hair. Nuts. Walnuts are an excellent source of niacin, folic acid and biotin, the element responsible for the production of hair fibers. Here's a nut that's everyone's favorite. Make sure you're not allergic to peanuts, in which case they might not be too good for you. Always consult your doctor before choosing peanuts as a snack, if you are allergic. Best eaten as peanut butter, whole and roasted or cooked, but avoid salt. Olive oil. A great ingredient in most recipes, olive oil is one of those foods that can help you grow your facial hair. It can provide you with a good supply of vitamin E as well as other nutrients needed for hair growth. It also has healthy fatty acid rations that can support the production of DHT and testosterone. Aside from incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can also use it as a beard oil and apply it to the area regularly. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is touted as one of the pleasant oils for hair massage. However, it really works the equal on your facial hair as well. Gently massaging your beard with coconut oil could make the hair denser and stronger. Moreover, to obtain its benefits, one also can use coconut oil for cooking. As part of the beard development process, there are also products that give you a growth boost. We recommend you go to the description of this video where you will get the link to an excellent beard growth kit, which will help you grow a thicker and more prominent beard in less time. Of course, as an extra tips, don't forget to always stay hydrated. Beards need hydrated skin for better growth. Exercising will increase your testosterone, the hormone that generates new facial hair. Avoid stress altogether, as it decreases the main hormone as well as overweight. If you eat healthy and get enough sleep, you will see changes in a short time in the growth of your beard. Also avoid smoking and excess alcohol. It has been determined that men with little facial hair, by not consuming cigarettes or excess alcohol, tend to develop facial hair over time and better if you follow the treatment. So let your beard grow and understand that, like it or not, a beard calls for maintenance. The quicker you begin the use of beard merchandise and set up a beard care routine, the better. Remember, beard oil works wonders to moisturize and nourish facial pores, skin and hair to help hairs stay strong, healthy and soft. It also can assist do away with the newbie beard woes, including itchiness and flakiness. We hope you have learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe and like us. Have a nice meal.